welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix VLC Media Player from crashing when opening up video files. To start off with, first you need to open up VLC Media Player, and once you have, you then need to click on Tools. You now need to click onto Preferences, and we now need to go to Input/Codecs, and you now need to change the Hardware Accelerated Decoding to Disable, and press Save. Once you have saved that, you now need to try and open up your video files, and with a bit of luck, they should now work. If you're still having problems with VLC Media Player not opening up video files, then you need to open up VLC again and go onto Tools and Preferences, and we now need to click onto Video. You now need to change the output from automatic, and you need to try selecting OpenGL. If this option doesn't work as well, you can go through all these options until you find one that works. If you are still struggling to get VLC Media Player to play any of your video files, then the next thing to do is make sure you have the latest graphics card drivers installed on your computer. And if that still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is uninstall VLC Media Player and install it again. And hopefully that will resolve any problems you are having with VLC. I hope this tutorial has helped, and if it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Also, if you have found a way that has fixed VLC Media Player that I have not mentioned in this video, then please let everyone know what you did below. Don't forget to check out my social channels.